Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a shoe box from Bulk. Let's see what kind of shoes we're going to get and in what condition we're going to get them. All right, so here's the breakdown of this box that I got from Bulk. All right, it's a shoe box. Has 37 separate items in it. It is considered uninspected returns, which means the items may be brand new all the way to damaged or even missing a shoe. I paid $94 for the box. Shipping was $30, and then with tax and shipping, I paid a total of $128.75. I always include my shipping in my cost of purchase just because I paid for it. So per item, that from the $128.75, it equals out to $3.48 per item. I guarantee you some of the things I find in this box are going to definitely be worth more than $3.48. So let's get in here and see what kind of condition we have stuff in. Now, because it's shoes, I'm going to be very careful in opening this box because I definitely don't want to cut into anything that is fabric. And so I'm going to keep everything pretty short as far as my box cutter is concerned. Try not to cut myself in the process. But I'm excited. Unexpected returns is always a good category for me to buy in simply because it's not completely manifested by condition. Usually I get more bang for my buck. So let's see what's in here. So I already see lots of tags, which I'm really excited about. Let me get this flap down there. And so, I mean, as you can see, these are men's. Black shoes, they still have the thing. It looks like original price was $13. A lot of this is going to go on eBay or Poshmark because that's where clothing seems to sell the best. And so here's another pair of black ones. These were originally $20, have a little bit more. Those are Cat and Jack, which is a pretty popular clothing brand. Here's some sandals. Still with the tags on them, which is really nice because then they have all the sizing. Those are swim shoes, Cat and Jack as well. So I like that brand. Seems to sell well for me. Here's some slip-on shoes. Now these are a little bit dirty, so I'll try to see if I can clean them up. If I can't, then those are just gonna have to go in the zero nothing burger pile. So here's one that has the box, but the box is relatively beat up. So let's see. These are called A New Day. Ooh, these are nice. Ankle boot or knee-high boots. Looks like there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. So those are really nice. A New Day fashion taupe boots. They are size 6.5, 6.5 wide. So if you want those, text me, email me, hookedonpickin@gmail.com. Here's some men's sandals. Size 13. Here's some 7.5 flat brown dress shoes. As you can see, condition is really nice on a lot of these. Some regular Champion sandals. Let's see what else we got here. Ooh, these are cute. These are really nice boots. What size are these? Size 6 for little tiny feet. All right, some more sandals. I'm gonna start stacking some of them just so that you can see them all. Some more sandals there. Okay, this one has a box, but the box is ridiculous and they get a little crazy with their tape. So I'm gonna cut the tape off and see what kind of shoes we have in here. Ooh, the shoes at least are in good condition because they had them in a box. So those are really cute dress shoes, size 8s. I might have to keep those. That's my size, by the way. So the hardest part about buying these liquidation boxes, I have said many times, is trying not to keep everything. Some flip-flops. Now these flip-flops, I mean, you can buy these style of flip-flops. They're exhilaration, so they're a little bit better than the typical dollar store kind, but you're not going to get a lot of money out of those, and so they're small enough to fit one of my kiddos, so I'll probably end up just giving them to one of my kiddos or donating them to the local food pantry in our area. Here's another box. This box is actually in good condition. It's a little bit dinged up, but not too bad. Ooh, Goodfellow, nice dress shoes. So those are size, what size are those? 7s. So it looks like boys size 7s. I don't know if those are boys or girls. You guys let me know. The fashions change daily. Oh my goodness, these are wild. Look at these wild flip-flops. Flowers, anyone? Those are fun. Look at how fun those are. Those are crazy. They're like little pleather kind of size 8 flip-flops. All right, here's some flat dress shoes. Just like the brown ones, only they're tan. It looks like they're a larger size. So a size 11 in women's, it looks like. All right, here's some more of those Champion. This is awesome because then I take one picture and I'm able to list 2 things. I see a lot of the really cute brown boots I pulled out earlier. Here's some kids shoes, very cute. Kids items don't sell for as much, but those are gonna take a great picture because they're kind of like sandal shoes. If you look at them on the side, they're open. So they're definitely more like sandal shoes, but they'll stay on better than a typical sandal for a little kid. Here's some wild, crazy dress shoes, some leopard print. A New Day is the brand. Looks like they're a larger size, probably a 10 or an 11. Here, actually, no, they're only 8s. They look longer than they are. Some fuzzy slippers. These are really fuzzy. Look at, they're like crisscrossed with like silver in there, and they're crazy soft. Like, I wish you could have a feel-o-meter on my video because they're really, really soft, like fleece almost. Here's some really pretty blue flats. So dress shoes sell really good for me. I'm really excited about the condition I'm seeing a lot of these in. So like I said, if you're interested in anything I pull out of these boxes, let me know what size you wear. And then I'll see what I have in that size. These are 7.5, really nice dress sandals. All right, here's some pink plush kind of. They're almost like slippers, but it looks like they're dress shoes. I'm not sure if they're slippers or dress shoes, but they have a hard bottom on them. They're size 10s. All right. Here is some black kids shoes, size 3. They're kind of like, they got a little bit of like the gladiator strap on them because they go up the ankle a bit. These are really nice. If I can get them out of here. Look at these. These are 9.5 men's shoes. It looks like really, really well padded. They are Goodfellow and Company. So a really nice pair of dress kind of boot shoe. Here's some Massimo. They're kind of like high top slip-on shoes. They have a little bit of a high top on them, size 11, women's. They almost look like socks. Here's some more fuzzy slippers. Oh my goodness, they're so soft. Just gonna pet them. Alrighty, here's some more dress flip-flops with a pink strap on them. Oh, I've already pulled these out. I think, nope, this is a different style. I thought they were just like these, but they're not. They have a little bit more of a crisscross, but I do have those in another size right here. So those are the same. And then here's silver ones, just like those, or gold. Those are gold. Here's some black slip-on dress shoes. And then the rest of what's in here are various different sizes of these really nice shoes. So I've got an 8.5, and then let me just yell out the numbers of what I have in here, because these are all, if you look inside the box, these are all, I think, 8s, 8.5, 7s, 7.5, but it's all, oh, and then I got a pair of these. But everything else of those. So that's going to be really nice. I'll take a picture of one pair of those, and then I can list the multiple different sizes on those. So I'm really excited about the shoes in here. I definitely think I can make my money back. Like I said, a lot of, like this one here is originally priced $33. And then I've got some, like the kids ones are 20. And then I think I had one of the first pairs, this one here, which is the plainest pair I got, are 12. This one is 20. This one is 16. So I'm definitely going to be able to make my money up because, like I said, per item I'm $348. So I'm going to do the breakdown of what I think I can make on each one of these pairs of shoes and then give you the numbers in the second video of how much I think I can make. But hopefully this has been helpful. Uninspected returns, I'm looking at almost brand new returns. The only difference is they're not coming in their original boxes, but everything still has tags on it. And I got the priority mail shoe boxes, so I can ship it without the shoes being injured or damaged at all. So I'm super excited about this. I definitely think I can make the $128.75 back. Hopefully this has been helpful, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.